Welcome to this video on bookkeeping and accounting for clock and watch repair shops. Whether you're managing a small repair shop or a growing business, keeping your finances in order is key to long-term success. In this video, we'll explore the essential accounting practices. Clock and watch repair shops are key players in preserving precious timepieces, from antique clocks to modern wristwatches. To succeed in this business, solid financial management is a must. When these shops implement strong accounting practices, they can optimize operations, streamlining processes to improve efficiency and reduce waste, control costs, managing expenses effectively to ensure profitability, maximize profits, increasing revenue while keeping costs low to boost financial gain, maintain regulatory compliance, adhering to laws and regulations to avoid penalties and ensure smooth business operations. Proper financial management truly makes a difference for these businesses to thrive in a competitive market. Mastering finances is the key to keeping your business smoothly. All right, let's talk about something super important for your success: key performance indicators, or KPIs. Let's break down some key metrics that can make a big difference in your repair business operations. So the first point is repair turnaround time. This measures how long it takes to complete a repair. It's all about efficiency and keeping your customers happy. Faster turnaround means better satisfaction. Our second point is gross profit margin. By calculating the profit from your repair services and parts sales, you can set better pricing strategies and improve profitability. It's a simple but powerful way to track financial health. Third point is the inventory turnover rate. This tells you how quickly your parts and supplies are being used and restocked. Monitoring it helps avoid overstocking and reduces storage costs. Up next point is customer satisfaction score, CS80. Feedback from your customers is invaluable. Knowing how satisfied they are with your repairs and overall service can help you improve and keep them coming back. Our next thing to consider is accounts receivable aging. Tracking how long your invoices from repair services and parts sales have been outstanding helps you manage cash flow better and ensures timely collections. Continuing with technician productivity. This one's all about measuring how efficiently your repair technicians are completing jobs and servicing customers. The more productive they are, the better the service and the better for your bottom line. Coming to the next point, return on investment, ROI, for marketing. By analyzing the effectiveness of your marketing efforts, you can see how well they're driving repair service bookings and parts sales. A solid ROI means more bookings and more revenue. Moving on to profitability by service type. This helps you understand which repair services are the most profitable. Knowing this allows you to focus on high-margin services and fine-tune your service offerings. Our next thing to discuss is how do we manage the financials of a clock and watch repair shop. First, sales and service tracking. Tracking all sales is crucial, especially for a business focused on repairs and services. We ensure that every transaction, whether it's for repairs, parts sales, or maintenance, is carefully recorded. This helps us monitor the flow of services and products and keep accurate financial records. Next, inventory management. Managing inventory is key to controlling costs and maintaining smooth operations. We keep detailed records of all parts, tools, and supplies used for repairs, making sure stock is always at the right levels to avoid shortages or overstocking. Then, expense categorization. Expenses are the backbone of financial control. We categorize costs like labor, part procurement, utilities, rent, and marketing. This helps in understanding where money is spent, so we can make informed decisions and maintain profitability. When it comes to service revenue recognition, we ensure we're following accounting standards for recognizing revenue from repairs, warranties, and contracts. And lastly, tax compliance. We stay on top of tax rules, ensuring proper sales tax on parts and timely income tax filings for service revenue. By carefully managing these areas, we keep things running smoothly and efficiently. Proper tracking, management, and compliance are the foundation for a successful business. Let's keep everything running smoothly. Now, I'm going to share some inspiring case studies that highlights how strategic solutions can transform a disorganized situation into a profitable one. Let's look at a case where operational efficiency was the key to success. The challenge? A repair service struggling with inefficiency. The process was slow, resulting in delayed turnaround times and unhappy customers. So, what was done? We implemented streamlined workflows to make repairs faster and smoother. We optimized inventory management to ensure parts were available when needed. And we didn't stop there. We trained the technicians to boost their skills and speed up service delivery. The results? A 30% reduction in repair turnaround time, much happier customers, and a significant improvement in overall operational efficiency. Small changes in process can lead to big wins in customer satisfaction. Here's another powerful case study. This time, focusing on cost control and boosting profitability. A company was facing rising costs for parts, which were cutting into their profit margins. They needed a solution fast. Our team jumped in and conducted a thorough cost analysis. We also negotiated better supplier contracts to get lower pricing. On top of that, we worked on implementing smarter pricing strategies for their repair services. The results? A 20% increase in gross profit margins, optimized parts inventory, and a significant boost to the overall financial performance. When you tackle costs strategically, profitability follows. Let's look at another case study that shows how the right tools and practices can transform a business. In this scenario, a clock and watch repair shop was struggling with inaccurate financial reporting and compliance with tax regulations. These issues were causing confusion and potential risks. Our solution was simple yet effective. We introduced cloud-based accounting software, ensuring that all financial data was accurate and easily accessible. We also set up regular financial audits and ensured timely tax filings to avoid any penalties. The results were clear. The shop experienced better financial transparency, stayed compliant with tax laws, and gained valuable insights for making smarter business decisions. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it helpful. If you found the video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Wishing you all the best in your creative and financial journey. See you in the next video.